Welcome back to FundaTech Insights, the show where we decode stocks, so you don't have to pretend you already knew what was happening. I'm your host, and today we're diving into NIO Inc., the EV maker that's basically juggling growth, battery swaps, and a stock chart that looks like my heart rate during tax season. And joining me is our resident analyst, Maddie, the only person I know who gets excited reading 10Q filings. Maddie, welcome back.
Thanks. And hey, someone's got to love financial statements. They have plot twists, drama, occasionally horror.
All right, Maddie, let's start simple. Who is NIO, besides that EV company that's everywhere on social media?
So NIO Inc., ticker NIO, is a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer operating in the consumer durables and auto manufacturing sector. They design and sell smart EVs under multiple brands: NIO, Onvo, and Firefly. They're also heavily invested in battery swap technology, which is like changing batteries in a TV remote if the remote weighed 2 tons and cost $50,000.
Okay, price check. What's NIO trading at these days?
Recent quote, around $5.40 per share, down about 6% on the day. Trading volume was roughly 70 million shares, a bit above the average.
$5.40? That's like 2 cups of coffee.
Stop comparing everything to coffee. We get it. You're sleep deprived.
I'm investing in myself. Okay, what's been happening with NIO lately? Anything spicy? Maybe a little corporate gossip?
Oh, absolutely. First, NIO is about to release Q3 2025 earnings on November 25. Big catalyst. They also expanded their strategic partnership with CATL, particularly on battery swap stations. Think of CATL as the friend with a truck helping NIO move, except the truck is billions in battery tech. And EV market pressure in China has made the stock a little shaky. Some folks call it a losing streak, but I call it character development.
Uh, it's giving hero's journey. Let's talk numbers, Maddie's favorite.
Obviously. NIO's Q2 2025 report showed revenue around about 19 billion RMB, around $2.65 billion. Net loss, about 5.1 billion RMB. Gross margin improved, which is a big deal after earlier margin pressure. Deliveries, over 72,000 vehicles, strong sequential gain. Q3 numbers are coming soon, so everyone's watching like it's the finale of a show they're not sure will get renewed.
If only shareholder meetings had cliffhangers. All right, chartner time. Support, resistance, give us the levels.
Here's the setup. Support around 5.4, 5.6. Near term, bigger support around $5. Resistance, 6.6 to $7, then around 7.2 to $7.4. 50-day moving average, around 6.9. 200-day moving average, about $5. Right now, the stock is lounging below the 50-day, but flirting with the 200-day. Classic mixed signals, like a stock market situationship.
So NIO is basically that person who texts back slow but keeps sending heart emojis?
Exactly. Technically confusing, emotionally volatile.
What do the pros think?
Consensus is shrug emoji. Most analysts fall between hold and cautious buy. Price targets are scattered, some in the mid-4s, others in the mid-5s, and a few optimists still hoping for a double-digit comeback arc.
So analysts are split like a family choosing a pizza topping?
Yes, and someone in the group definitely wants pineapple.
What's the vibe online? Are we in meme stock territory?
Not quite. NIO has decent retail chatter, especially around battery swaps and earnings. Short interest is around 7 to 9% afloat, with days to cover around 2.5 to 3. Not enough for a true short squeeze, but enough for volatility if earnings surprise.
Okay, so not a meme stock, but still spicy.
Let's call it meme adjacent.
All right, Maddie, give us your closing investor fortune cookie message.
NIO is a high volatility EV play, strong delivery momentum, big battery swap bets, and equally big losses. The November 25 earnings will likely dictate short-term direction.
Well, There you have it. That's all for today's episode of FundaTech Insights. Remember, folks, this isn't financial advice, just mildly entertaining market therapy. Catch us in the next episode when Maddie explains about next stock. Until then, take care of yourself, bye-bye, and keep investing.